Hi, it's Philip from our RevealCut Workstation. Today we're going to be doing linear cuts on an Armstrong Optima 3251 square tegular edge. Let me show you. So we have the tile in here with the tile stop set at 6 3/8 to give us a 6-inch face-to-face measurement. So I'm going to come across, cut it with the pivoting handle, come across with the carriage car. That's your first linear cut. Then we're going to come across, again, put it in against the jig stops, come across with the pivoting handle. That's one factory edge. Turn it around, and we're going to give you the second factory edge. Come across with the third one. There you go. A true factory edge. Let me show you. 6-inch face-to-face on the bottom and a 6-inch face-to-face on the top. Thank you.